Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Sudden hiccups usually happen because of things like eating too fast or carbonated drinks. But if hiccups last more than 48 hours, they could signal problems like nerve irritation, acid reflux, or infections in the chest or brain. When hiccups disrupt your sleep or daily life, see a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and treatment.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.